How to fix QuickBooks Error 108. For quick solutions. Solution 1. Update bank connections in QuickBooks. Step 1. Sign in to QuickBooks Online. Step 2. Go to Bookkeeping, then select Transaction. Step 3. Next, click on Update on the top right side of the screen. Solution 2. Verify your bank account information. Step 1. Open QuickBooks and go to Banking tab. Step 2. Then select Banking and select the bank account you're experiencing error. Step 3. Click on the Edit icon and select Edit Account Info. Step 4. Check your account information and update if required. Step 5. Once done, click on Save and Close. Solution 3. Clear your browser cache. Step 1. Open your browser and click on the three-dot icon at the top right corner. Step 2. Go to More Tools and then Clear Browsing Data. Step 3. Once you're in the Clear Browsing Data window, stay in the Basic tab and select the time range. Step 4. If you do not want to delete your browsing history, you can uncheck it. Step 5. Make sure that cookies and cached options are selected. Step 6. Then click on the Clear Data button. Solution 4. Temporarily disable firewall and antivirus. Step 1. Right-click on the Windows icon and select Settings. Step 2. Click on Privacy and Security and select Windows Security. Step 3. Click on Open Windows Security. Step 4. Then click on Navigation in the Windows Security window. Step 5. Next, select Virus and Threat Protection. Step 6. Scroll down to Virus and Threat Protection Settings and click on Manage Settings. Step 7. Then turn off Real-Time Protection. Step 8. Click Yes to allow the app to make changes. Step 9. Open QuickBooks and try to access your bank account information. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746902988 +44 800 0548 150.